I love to organize. So when Orgbro sent me this label maker, I couldn't wait to try it out. Now it's really easy to turn on. And here's the little label that I made for my rice container. And I think it turned out really super cute. They have a lot of different little clip art that you can add to it. I added a little bowl of rice to mine. It's super easy to use. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sleek design here. And then when you open it up, there is already a roll of labels that is inside. You just press the button and open it. It also comes with a charging cord and a little instruction booklet. Now here's the interface and you can see just how easy it is to use. You just click on the button that says create a label. And there are all the different little clip art options that you can choose from. And this is where you decide what graphic you'd like to add to your label. There's so many different categories that you can choose from. As you can see, different little party emblems and different foods, things like that. I think this is so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and find what I'm going to use for my label. And I chose the rice bowl. And you just easily click it and it goes right there on your label. You can adjust it. And then I typed out the word rice in all caps, centered it, made it as big as I wanted to. And then I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and print it out. It's super easy to do. And now it's connected to the printer and the label is being printed out. I really enjoy this label maker and I think you will too.